Healthy and delicious banana bread with almond flour.
You will need 3 overripe bananas, 2 cups of almond flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half of a teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of salt.
Peel the bananas and mash them with the fork. Add 2 eggs, baking powder quenched with vinegar, vanilla extract, and pinch of salt. Mix it all together. When the mixture looks well mixed, add almond flour. And stir it until smooth. And just like that, by mixing only 6 ingredients, you have a dough for your healthy and delicious banana bread. Grease the baking pan with melted butter. And place the dough in. Spread it with the spoon and have fun making some design if you want. Sprinkle it with chopped almonds and put it in the oven for 375 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, check the banana bread with wooden stick. If it come out nice and dry, your banana bread is ready. It looks delicious and it smells delicious. Take it out from the baking pan. Cut it and enjoy with any of your favorite toppings. You can store that bread in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. Thank you for visiting Kathy's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.